Easy Cundee here at the Ocean Beach Club, and something very, very special is about to happen, and the first time it's ever happened here at the club. Yes, it's a proposal. Let's see what happens.
I've been planning to propose for a very long time, but I like impromptu stuff. I like to make it when it feels right. I want to be, and I think the element is always surprise.
When you're a groom, you have always had these preconceptions in your mind about what you want to do. So he came over to us and said this is what he wanted to do.
Well, obviously I had to set the right music and set the situation, but I need to make sure that Felicity really didn't know that it was a surprise for her.
I was completely shocked. I was like wondering why he was down on one knee. I just wanted to go off swimming and have fun. And then he got the ring out, and then I realised what was happening.
It was amazing today. We've actually had our first wedding proposal at Ocean Beach. And it was just like a really special moment, because I'm sure over the next 25 years there's going to be many, many more, but the first one's always a very memorable occasion.
I've been planning this for such a long time for it to happen like that, where we are, it's perfect.